Alrighty, welcome back. We're going to look at a 51 Oldsmobile two-door hardtop. Jolene's been in contact with a man on the computer, said he had a car. It supposedly has 30,000 miles on it. That's very impressive, very impressive. I can't wait to see it. And we're going to take you with us. And here we go. Jolene's asked if we were allowed to film, so everything's okay, I guess. We've never met the man before, or I haven't. And here we are. We're going to go take a look at a car. I can't wait to see it. Wow. How you doing this morning?
Pulled up at the subway before.
Oh yeah, we hit the subway every morning, try to get breakfast. I've been excited to come look at this car. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen that car.
Yeah, it's been around a few cars.
Yeah.
Quite a while ago. I haven't had it for probably 10 years.
You're into collecting cars a little bit, obviously?
Yeah, I got rid of some.
You get rid of some?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had about 4 or 5 other ones here, but just thinned it out a little bit.
What did you have?
Oh, some old Cadillacs and
just some old Cadillacs.
yeah. The ones my parents had bought.
Okay.
I just kept them. But I bought that car new in '85.
All right.
So it's only got 30,000 clicks on it.
Wow. What's in this one? Camaro, is it?
Nah, that's a pretty new Mustang Gt.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen one of them on the. That's older than the one that you guys were showing the other night on the videos.
What year's that bad boy?
That one's a '67. My father bought that new.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Single cylinder?
It's a 10 horsepower single cylinder. I drove that thing when I was a little kid. You couldn't kill it. But you guys were talking about carburetor issues and stuff the other night. I can remember all that. You had to keep, the gas had to be perfectly clean or the carburetor would gum up. And
I bet you tried to kill it.
it's pretty hard on it.
Wow, this is quite a car.
Yeah.
I can't even access the open.
The hood on it, because there's so tight there. I tried to crawl in there to flip the lever for the hood, but...
Can I walk in by the
Yeah, oh yeah, you can get around it.
You must have had it painted.
Yeah, I had it, well see, I bought it back in about 90.
Yes.
And it was Battleship gray. And so we stripped the car right down at our shop. And then I took it out in pieces out to Rick's Auto Body.
Okay.
And it's all sprayed with the single urethane.
Rick's always done a great job.
Yeah, and at that time he was doing a lot of old cars for Kenny Morse.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's quite a nice car.
Yeah, I had all the chrome done down the zero.
Is that right? So you spent some money on it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's not that clean right now, but
Is the bumpers going again, or is just oil on?
I
know. Yeah, you're able to do that. I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
This has got a V8 in it. What did it?
307 V8.
307 V8.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you stripped it down, was it in good shape?
Yeah, there was no rust on it. I bought it from the original owner down Strawberry Hill in Halifax.
Okay.
Set in a little single car garage. They had bought it new.
Yeah.
I got the receipt for the bill of sale that when they bought it in 1951 from Scotia Chev Olds, and I think it was $3,800 and some dollars new, which was pretty expensive in 1951.
Well, these were the.
Well, they had a Buick ordered.
Yeah.
And it never came. And they were going on a family trip to New York, and they ended up buying this one off the lot. It was a high-end car.
Yeah.
It is today, right?
That's what I was thinking. These are like, you know. So is the interior original?
Yeah, they had put the seat covers, factory seat covers on it.
Yeah.
But I mean, I had them off, put back on.
Yeah. So that's what it looked like when it new, what it came like.
Yeah.
The red and the blue stripes and all that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, that's quite.
I always liked this car. This.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful dash in it too.
You know, can pull that. I might be able to. Maybe Jolene can get in there, pull that lever right there. I can almost get in there, but I can't.
I understand. I'll tell you what, I'll switch the camera with you, Jolene. He'll show you which lever to pull.
Yeah. I'll do worse than banging.
Sure.
Yeah, you go through.
Yeah, you don't want to bang it on the
I
boat
think you
trailer.
need it in there. I can't. The lever you want to pull when you get there, the smaller of the two, this one's the brake. The other one's, you're close, aren't you?
She's in, she says.
The small one. No, that one.
This one?
Yeah, pull that straight out towards you. No, it was that one. I couldn't. It was the other one.
You got the emergency brake on now, I heard it.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, just hold on a second. I might not have quite released. Just pull that again. Just pull it.
Yep.
There you go. You got something going on now. That's what happens when you leave old cars sitting around
yeah.
like...
Isn't that something?
Shove it back in, pull it back out.
You can hear it trying to.
Yeah.
It's all the way out.
Yeah.
Watch your chrome piece, you're getting quite rough on her.
This one?
I hate to see you. Is it all detailed underneath there?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to show it to you.
Okay.
Motor's all painted and the Oldsmobile's all painted in gold. And...
Okay. Is the motor green?
Yep. Detroit green is what it is.
What if you just bang down on your corners? Just hit like... Push on. I'm gonna help you.
Yeah. Oh, that sounded.
That sounded good, did it?
Yeah.
Keep doing it.
Just wiggle it. Just be careful, the door, someone's gonna have to let you out. That's fine. You're gonna want that open though, aren't you?
Yeah,
You're-
well, I don't need to open today.
Yeah, there you go. You want to get down by the door down there and let me hold the door so she can get out.
Yeah. Well, I guess we're not gonna get in.
So what do you plan? What's your plans on this car?
Nothing,
Do
it's
you want
me.
that one pushed back in? Oh, no.
I think it looks green.
Everybody needs Jolene around,
Yeah.
getting in and out of the doors.
Yeah.
You what's your business?
Construction.
You're a construction guy. So are you gonna sell this car maybe?
Yeah, I'd sell it. He's got no sentimental value, so like I didn't buy it new, or
Yeah.
my family didn't buy it new, so. It just, I don't plan on ever using it, so it's kind of a waste just sitting here.
I understand that. I want to take a look underneath if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Can I put something underneath my knee again? That's all right. I'll get clean part.
He's painted all black satin underneath.
So it's probably as good as the top, is it?
It was.
It was. I can't. It's hard to tell, but oh wow. Yeah, I think the floor's on perfect one today. Yeah, it's like a brand new car. Wow. How many years ago was it painted?
I'd say around 92.
92.
And the part, like, he painted, you can't tell this car was ever battleship, like, every piece that was battleship grade, this number.
Yeah.
This is an original, this color also came on the car.
So what's the actual thing? Is it two-door coupe? Two-door...
Is it a two-door coupe or is it a two-door hardtop? I don't know that.
Well, let's get the post in it, so it would be the... I don't know what you...
See, they made both, right? They made
Yeah.
one, they called one model a coupe and one a two-door hardtop.
Okay. The two-door hardtop would have no post.
No
I'm thinking,
post?
I'm thinking 51 Ford had a hardtop, I think, in 51.
Yeah, I know.
So this is a 51, is it not?
51, yes. Yeah.
got the original. Those are the original hubcaps, I take it?
Yeah,
5 slide tires on it.
yeah,
Motor's all detailed in it.
yeah.
I'm scared to ask the number.
Well, I had it advertised about 3 years ago,
Yeah.
and I was asked,
Yes.
and, but then the kind of market for the old stuff went down
Yeah.
the tube. So then I said, oh, I'm not even gonna advertise it. It can stay there, sit there.
Yeah.
So, like, I got a better number in my head now just to get rid of it. I had a guy from Calgary who was gonna fly here, and he was pretty well keen to buy it.
Yeah.
He seemed to know a lot about the early 50s Oldsmobiles. Back and forth with him for a month. But he had his heart set on a 54. Same model, but a 54.
Yeah.
And he said, I finally found one, so he backed out even coming to look at it. But
Okay.
he was he said that at that time, this was only, this would be 2.5, 3 years ago, and he said all the research he's done, Canadian dollars, was around 28 to 29. So I was kind of thinking I said, well, I'm not way out of whack.
Does the motor run good in it?
Yep. Yeah, no, it does.
It's a V8.
V8.
What size would that be?
I believe it's a 307.
307. And it's an automatic or a standard?
No, 3-speed on the tray.
3 on 3 standard.
Standard.
Yeah. And all the chrome
that
is,
would open, but anyway.
all the chrome is excellent on it, eh? Like I've seen the back and struck it up. Look,
Yeah.
it's just
Yeah, it's showing.
okay. Yeah, it's quite a car. Quite a car.
Those aren't the best handling tires, but they're the best. Oh, I thought they looked the best. That's why I bought them to put on it.
Totally for sure. I agree
Right.
100%.
Yeah, like those
Yeah.
five tires, they're not a handling tire by any means.
Yeah.
I just thought you guys might be interested. Not that you may be interested in the car or not interested in the car, but I said, well, they must have a look at it.
I've got a lot of interest in the car.
Yeah, there's a lot of that stuff around here that if someone doesn't let you know,
Yeah.
you don't find it.
It's true.
True. Like this could be sitting here, like somebody, I'm going to put it to you this way. I'm going to mull it over
Yeah.
before we post it, because when we post stuff it usually sells.
Oh yeah.
If you know what I'm trying to
Yeah.
tell you. So if that's what happens.
Yeah.
So if someone sees it, like
Yeah.
there's we got quite an audience.
Oh,
I guess
yes, you
know.
do.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
we are going to mull it over before we post it.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's basically what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
But it's a car that I thought, and it is a gorgeous car. I've seen it around a few times. Pinch.
Well, see, Maynard worked for me at the time,
Yeah.
and the car wasn't being used, and I said, and Maynard loved to take the thing out.
Yeah.
So I said, there it is, all you gotta do is put gas in it. She's registered, insured.
Yeah.
You put gas in it, you take it out anytime you want.
It's a good thing to have him driven.
Oh, I know that. So he'd come on the weekends, and he'd go for a drive on a Sunday somewheres, or he.
What's the registered mileage on that?
I think it's 28,000 miles.
Wow.
Yeah, had 22, I think, when I bought it.
Wow.
That's original, like I said, I bought it from the original owner.
Wow.
I'll never forget his name, because you remember the boxing promoter, Don King?
Yeah.
That was this guy's name.
Right
Don
on.
King.
Yeah. Muhammad Ali's promoter. He
Yeah.
promoted all of the hair.
Oh, yeah, yeah. He's 91 years old. I was searching him last night.
Okay.
Still living, which is older for, quite a weapon.
It's hard to believe the stuff that they put on the cars back then. Like you could take that off and hurt somebody with it. You know? Like it's crazy, the
Yeah.
stuff. The wings and the things in the back of cars.
Yeah.
That's quite a car. That's quite a car. Take one more look inside. Did you get a look inside with the camera, sweetheart?
No, because we didn't pass with the camera.
That's right. Come take a look. I like the gray the silver dash with the red.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. Look at the interior, eh?
box of Kleenex from 1950s. It's called King Kleenex or something.
Oh.
Great big box. Usually it would have it sitting in the back window.
Right.
I think it's in the trunk.
I like the steering wheel.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, that globe, that world globe is in the center.
Oh.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Just to get the chrome done nowadays
Yeah.
would be,
Back in the early 90s, I think I paid them $5 to have it done. So, yeah, that's 30 years ago, so I wonder how much they charge now to do it.
I'm gonna get a bumper chromed. I'm doing a little bit of work to a bumper right now. And then I'm gonna get it chromed.
Yeah.
And if you're watching the video, you'll see I'm gonna let the price out, like what it cost me.
Yeah.
And then you'll know. I'm thinking I might get one bumper done and a couple Dagmars for probably that price or a little bit less maybe.
Really?
Probably it's everything's gone up nowadays.
Oh,
obviously,
yes, it is.
like
Cost you guys $30 to drive from Canning to here this morning.
yeah, like
Crazy, man.
I'm thinking our $4 sub and coffee's not such a great deal anymore.
Yeah.
I watched gas every day. I was down in Florida for 2 weeks. We'd go golfing in the morning, gas would be a certain price. At noontime when we were on our way back, it would be 20 cents higher again. And at the evening, we'd go out to eat, it'd be 20 more cents higher.
Wow.
It was going up about 40 cents. It was 20-cent jumps twice a day.
It makes sense for them to start the oil thing back up again.
Oh, yeah.
Right now, where it's at in the world,
Yeah,
it makes sense to start it back up.
yeah,
To me, it does, but
yeah.
who am I?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, thank you very much for letting us look.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet
And
you.
yeah, I'm gonna mull it over if you don't mind. I just mull it over in my brain and then.
You're sitting there, I'm not.
Okay. It's beautiful. Not as beautiful as you, Jolene.
Yeah.
Beautiful day out there, right?
Bugatti coming.
It's coming.
I'm gonna have to put. I'm gonna put the foot down and get it done for her. I think she put her foot down, and
Yeah.
it's time.
Yeah.
It's time to finish it.
Yeah.
But I've been playing with it, but we'll finish it.
Yeah.
Summer's coming.
Give you more space in the shop.
Totally would. Never thought of that. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
And we appreciate it.
Yeah.
Can we just go right around? Got a beautiful spot here.
Yeah.